on with me. And by snuck, I mean I forgot it.
Does something worse than head banging, neck banging.